guys, welcome back to another video of Donia's Playroom. The spooky season is here and I'm still not doing anything spooky. So basically, I'm thinking I'll make like an LPS skit or something. We have moved some things around and I'm holding a spoon. You know what this means. Bowl, spoon, glue, activator. We're doing more slime. I know. I'm not sure what's been coming out, but I've been filming so many slime videos. Literally, most of my videos are actually from the summer, but I've been being quite slow about posting them. Sorry about that, guys. But I haven't actually filmed one in a while, so yeah, pretty crazy, and we barely have any glue left. Wow. Okay, so anyways, today's subject in the title, shaving cream. I haven't made a shaving cream slime in so long. I'm really excited to make the fluffy, regular shape. I'm really excited. So here's another shaving cream slime. I just wanted to show you guys. So it should be fluffy. It's called fluffy slime actually, but everyone just calls it shaving cream slime. But okay, shaving cream or fluffy slime is incorporated, and I really like this one a lot. It's really pretty, and I really do love this one. It's really great texture. This is actually shaving cream with some butter slime, so it's a little more creamy. But in person, it's way more glossy than on camera. But yeah, I actually really love this slime and hope to make one that I exclusively like. I have actually a lot of purple slimes, and I don't have that many other colors. Like this is one of my first bright blues, so I gotta get some new colors going. I have like one tealish green, and I have no yellows. No yellow slime. So I'm making a shaving cream fluffy yellow slime today. I love how it looks like when it's like mixed with the shaving cream. It just looks so good. I hope this activates though, because I only have a little bit glue. So this is an experiment. My goodness gracious. But yeah, I'm not sure. Oh yeah. So my ingredients are glue. I can open it. Glue, activator. Make sure you have a lot on hand, because otherwise things can get crazy. I'm using paint because if you do add the shaving cream, eventually it's gonna have bubbles anyway. It's not gonna be clear anymore. So shaving cream and paint. If you want to keep it clear, but then you can add shaving cream, of course. But if you're just making clear slime, I would not use paint because then it won't be clear anymore. Also, pigment does not make your clay slime clear anymore as well. Although no, you should use food coloring to make your slime still clear. So anyways, let's get this started. I'm also using some lotion just in case, because sometimes shaving cream slime can get overactivated quickly. So I'm going to start off by explaining to you guys why I'm basically doing this and why I haven't been posting. I've mentioned this before, right? Yeah, I've mentioned this before. School has been a lot. We'll just say a lot recently, and it's been pretty hard to just, be doing this. So I've been posting my videos from the summer actually. So yeah, it's quite annoying. I haven't filmed in a while though, so I'm excited. Why is this like not moving at all? Spoon for help. Still spoon not for help. Anyways, school has been like, again, a lot. So it's been hard for me to post. Goodness gracious, this bottle will not open up, and it's because I used this bottle so many times and there's glue all over it. Yeah, like literally. literally peeling off glue. That's glue. Okay, so this is anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to let you know that this is definitely I would prefer not to use shaving. Make sure it's shaving cream and not shaving, what's it called? Shaving gel. Shaving gel will not do that much to your slime to make it fluffy. So I prefer to use shaving cream other than shaving gel because I've never used shaving gel before on slime. But anyways, this has been Kate, so I'm really excited to get started. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I have a little problem. I kind of forgot to film, but only thing I did was pour the glue and I put the shaving cream in. Okay, and here's how it's looking. Pretty great. Okay, let's mix it. Oh, this looks so great. This is kind of gonna be also like adding too much shaving cream. I hope this activates. I really do. I really do. Is that gluey? Man, I really hope this activates. Yikes. Okay. Kind of want to add the activator before. Okay, let's add some yellow paint. If there is any yellow paint. Probably not though. Yep. What? Okay, this is definitely a disaster. Okay. I'm going to add some lotion to this as well. Oh, got it. Okay. If you saw a little, you can try and pause it to see, but I just added lotion. Yeah, okay, this is looking a lot more like slime. Okay, I think we're maybe safe here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, all you have is a little bit to see if it activates. Yes! Okay, I'm so happy right now, guys. You do not understand. I thought this wasn't going to activate. It's activating. I know on camera you can, but there. Okay, that's almost slime. I thought for sure this wasn't gonna activate. Good thing I didn't add too much shaving cream. And I still got a whole bottle. So definitely gonna have to buy more glue and do a lot of more of these, but yay! Okay, I kinda wanna touch it now. Ooh, this is very fluffy. Guys, best slime ever. Best slime. This is honestly way better than my other slime. Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? I missed this. I missed this. Yes, please. Please. If they made glue with shaving cream, I would go crazy. I'm like, you don't add glue to your face. But if there was like a satisfaction kit, where it comes like glue to put on your hands, because I guess that's satisfying, and comes like shaving cream for another project, I would like probably buy that just like to get it. And if it can be like colors, that's kind of in the cart already. Okay, whatever. I'm getting distracted. It worked, guys, and it's beautiful. There's still some in the container. It's still kind of sticky, but alright, guys, it worked. Don't doubt yourself, guys. If you have more glue than me, your slime is gonna be bigger. This is like a good size, though, but it's gonna just de-size a little bit. This is kind of on my hands, but I'm gonna add a little more activator. It'll work. Okay. This is great. It's basically almost like thick and glossy slime, except more fluffy. Yeah, it's all over my hands right now, but I promise you guys, this is just because I didn't add a lot of activator because I thought it was going to activate. I'm so happy, guys. All right, let's add some more activator. Not too much, honestly, because I'm so happy, though, like, when it was activating. Because one time, the reason why I actually got scared, because you guys were like, it's gonna activate it. It has glue and lotion in it. Honestly, I think the lotion might have saved us, because like when I was mixing it in, it wasn't running like glue is. And it was like the experience I had before. So I think the lotion might have saved us. Good job, lotion. Also, it made the slime really nice. Look at that. I'm kind of thinking that maybe I should make a bigger. There's still some stuff in it, but anyways, let me tell you the story about why I got so scared. So basically, one time I was making some slime. I had a bunch of shaving cream left over, but I didn't have that much glue. But it was still glue. There's still some glue in there. I plopped the glue in. I put the glue in, right? Then I'm like, okay, well, here's the glue. And at this time, I didn't know that shaving cream to put. So I put like a bunch of shaving cream, like a lot. And I mixed it around, and it started to not activate. And the only reason I think it did was because I ended up adding it to another slime, which made it really nice. But yeah, that was my experience, and I'm so happy with this, guys. Oh wow, this is like the ASMR bomb. Of course, not the crunch bomb, but it's right now. I'm probably gonna put it in a smaller container. Do you see that? Like, and I put it down. It's like jiggling, literally. I'm so happy with this fluffy slime. This is so good. Best thing ever. So great and so stretchy. And this is how you make a basic fluffy shaving cream slime. I'm really happy with this, and I'm really loving this. Just a plain white piece. Now you can decorate it however you like. I'm probably going to add a bunch of paint and stuff to it, but yeah. That's basically it for this video. I tried to make it really simple and quick, but yeah, it only takes a little bit. And if you have more glue than I have and you're worried about it, whenever my glue was like here before, and you're like worried that the shaving cream's gonna take it over, the shaving cream actually makes it slightly bigger. Very slight. Now it's like a regular little container slime, but it's obviously going to deflate, but so you probably may want to make a bigger batch, because then after a little time, also if you're mailing this to someone, it's going to get smaller, so after a little bit of time, or by the time it gets to them, it might be smaller. So of course I didn't have a lot of glue, but so I didn't get to make that big batch, but I'm really happy that I didn't add too much shaving cream, and it's pretty perfect. Really happy with this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as a little quick and easy video. I'm doing more quick and easy videos recently, but I hope you guys don't mind. It's still a video, and a video is a video. And I'll have a Halloween special very soon. So guys, bye!